How to make money with TikTok. So if you want to make money like this, you have to complete some requirements of TikTok Creator Rewards program. This month I have $2,500. Last month I had $3,200. This is my 5th month of the monetization and I will show you what to do if you want to earn money. First of all, you need to be 18 years old. You will have to get 10,000 followers and 100,000 views, which is easy. And these are the only eligible countries where you can earn money without some disqualification, which is the USA, Brazil, France, Germany. This should be Spain as Chinese, South Korea, and Great Britain. There are also multiple ways how to earn money and join the Creativity Rewards program from the non-eligible country. I'm earning money from non-eligible country. There are multiple tutorials across the YouTube, but first and foremost, you have to upload original content. Because if you upload copyrighted content, you will trigger the disqualification and you will not be able to earn money from non-eligible country. So this is like I do it. If you have any questions, ask me in the comment section and see you next time.